Do you want to make your audio clip from this to this? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, this is James and welcome to a new Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can join several audio clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here on my timeline, you can see I have prepared some example for you. The first one is I want to join this video and audio together so that I have a single video and audio track. To do this, I need to select all of this video and audio clips. To select video and audio, you need to click and hold the mouse cursor and drag it just like this, and then right click on it. Then you will see an option called nest. Click on nest option, then name it as you want. I am just naming it audio and video. Then click OK. It will make a nested sequence. If you don't see the waveform of your nested sequence, then you can just select the track and then go to sequence, then render the selection. Then it will render the audio and video so that you can have a better preview. Still, this video and audio haven't joined together. We have just made a nested sequence so that we can apply different audio and video effect together on this clip. So here is the first way you can just nest your audio and video together to apply different effects on it, right? So the second example is I have some audio clips only and I want to make a single audio track out of it. You can see there are some gap in between of my audio track and I want to make a single audio track. How can we do that? Again, we need to select the audio clips just like this one. Then you have to right click on it and go to nest, name it audio on play, then click OK. Again, sequence, render audio to see the waveform. Here you can see our waveform, but this is not a single audio clip. Still, this is a nested sequence. If I just double click on it, you can see the audio clips are here. To make a single audio track, we need to right click on it. Then we need to go to render and replace. If you click on it, then this audio clip will render and you will see a new audio clip. So if I just double click on it, it will not open again because this is a single audio track. It is not a nested sequence. So now you know how you can join audio clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here is our last example. You can see we have several audio and video tracks and already there are two audio tracks. If I just select all of this audio and video and make a nested sequence, you can see the audio are still not nested, right? You can just delete this nested sequence, and if you just drag the nested sequence from here, there is an audio track on it. Render it, you'll see the waveform, and if you just double click on it, you can see our audio and video are together. The problem is Premiere Pro doesn't show the nested audio clips when you are working with several audio tracks, just like this one. If I just show you, this is multiple audio track. If I just nest this audio track, I'm just naming it JP, you can see the audio track are still not nested. It is Premiere Pro fault or Premiere Pro bug, you can say. You can just delete this and just drag the new nested clip here, then render the audio. You'll see the waveform. So these are the different ways that you can use to join different audio clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel and if you have interest to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing in general, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.